I'm gonna let you guys know something. I am a new glasses person. I've never had to wear glasses before in my life, and I'm still getting used to it, and glasses and Minnie Mouse ears are not easy. This kind of stinks, I'm not gonna lie. Hey guys, it's Brittany and I'm back with another video. Today I'm going to be doing my new Disney bucket list. I have 10 items on my bucket list that I hope to someday achieve. Let's just jump right into it. Number 1, I really just kind of want to step foot into the Cinderella Castle Suite. I don't have to stay there for a day. I just kind of want to walk in there and soak up all that magic and take a few pictures and then leave. That's all I ask, Disney. That's all I ask. Please. Number 2, recently you can now live in Disney World or on Disney property. There is a new community called Golden Oak. Houses start there for a low price of $2 million. And that's the starting price. That is a goal. I would love to live there one day. A girl can dream. Number 3 is a more realistic bucket list item. I just really want to eat at Be Our Guest Restaurant. To be able to eat at Be Our Guest Restaurant, you have to have reservations way in advance, and I just haven't been able to eat there yet, and I just really want to because Belle is my favorite. Number 4, I really want to stay at the Polynesian Resort, but in a bungalow. If you don't know what a bungalow is, it's like a villa, but it's on the water, and it's on the lake in front of Magic Kingdom, and I just really want to stay there. Prices start at a low price of $2 grand a night. Why? Number 5, I really want to meet Peter Pan. And guess what, guys? Check that one right off my list. I went to Disney World last fall, and it has been my dream for years to meet Peter Pan, and I finally got to. Number 6, I really want to go to the Aulani Resort in Hawaii. Did I say that right? Aulani? Yeah, but I really want to go to that resort. Never been to Hawaii, and it's the Disney resort in Hawaii, so I'd really love to go. Hope to do that one day. Yes. Number 7, sticking with the Disney trips, I really want to go on the Europe Disney cruise. Disney Cruises just announced new trips to Alaska, Europe, and of course the Caribbean, and I've always wanted to go to Europe, so a Disney cruise in Europe is just like dream goals right there. That is just something I really want to do. Number 8, I really want to be picked as family of the day at the Magic Kingdom. But sadly, my family does not want to get up and get to the park early. I am the only one. Number 9, I really want to meet some rare characters. Every now and again, Disney allows rare characters to come out, and I really want to meet Megara and Hercules. They are the 2 very rare characters that I really want to meet. And last but not least for my bucket list, number 10, I really want to work up the courage to go on the teacups again and not throw up. That is probably one of my most realistic goals, but I will not go on them. One of these days, I will go on them, and my goal is to not get sick. I get severe motion sickness when I get twirled in a circle, like really bad. But it's the teacups and they're so colorful and cute, and I really want to get on them, so bucket list. Okay guys, that's it for my top 10 Disney bucket list. I'm hoping to check a few of these off in the next couple years. Let me know if you have a Disney bucket list or if you've done some of these things on my bucket list, because I'd love to know how you enjoyed them. If you like this video, make sure you give it a big thumbs up, and if you haven't done so already, subscribe please, because I'd love for you to continue watching my videos. That's it guys, I hope you guys have a magical day, because I certainly will. I'm having a great day guys, it's a lovely Saturday.